In this video, I will show you peak of feather test with a mirror. This is a normal mirror. You can see the tester, the knife. These all reflect in the mirror. I will show you different item. This is a cigarette lighter. You can clearly see that these also reflect in the mirror. Next, I will show you the feather. This is a very rare piece of peak of feather. You can find any forest area or nearby forest. This peak of feather are not reflecting by the mercury coated mirrors. Yes, there is no reflection. You can see that the mirror not reflecting the peak of feather. Once again, I showed with the tester. This is clearly reflecting the